Hi guys, let's talk today about this device, which is a smoke stopper. I built it using a 24 volts dual light bulb for no particular reason. This is what I had lying around, and due to the fact that I have two bulbs in here, I used this switch to so when it is off I use only the 5 watts bulb. When it is on I use both in parallel, and I choose to do so because I have let's say two settings for the limiting the current. For some devices I can go with 5 watts, and then the current limit will be much lower than if I go with the both light bulbs in parallel. And why this device is important? It is important because it helps to reduce the maximum current which is supplied from the battery to the drone when you have an issue somewhere, whether that's a short, whether that's a bad component that can create a short. And this device basically in those situations can limit the maximum current which flows into the electronics, and helps reducing the damage that that current can create. So basically when you first connect it, the light might shine and then go dim. That means that this is fine, you don't have a short. Usually when you first time connect it, then in rush current is high enough to make it light, but eventually it would go dim, and that's okay, that's normal behavior. But if your light bulb is not dimming after the 1 second or 2 after the connection, then that means that you have a short, and you have to remove the battery and check where the problem is. Let's try that. And obviously this is not the first time when I connect this smoke stopper. I used it before building the entire drone, but I wanted to show you in a separate video how it works. So I'm gonna use both light bulbs here. As you can see, all the electronics are working fine, and the light bulb is dimmed. If we do the same with the 5 watts light bulb only, you can see that it is bright, but the drone is not starting up because the current supplied to the drone is too low. So after you first time connect it and the behavior is as expected, then you can connect directly the battery. And every time when you change something, you do some soldering, you better use this smoke stopper to reduce the risks. So that's all what I wanted to show you today. Bye bye.